Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to grant permissions for our application to read instant messages in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To allow reading of messages, we have to go to Settings, then Security and Privacy, again Privacy, and in Permission Manager at the bottom of this menu we have additional permissions. And here we have read instant messages. Right now, no application is allowed to read our instant messages, but let's change it. Allow, back out, and as you can see now, this application can read our instant messages. We can also turn it off the same way. That's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.